بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Because when I am in time of worship or a place of worship or both, I'm probably as close as the pure sound house. So if I am in Hajj, I'm in Mecca, I'm in Tawaf, I'm in Ramadan, I'm fasting, I'm up there in Taraweeh, I'm reading my Quran, I'm alone in the house and studying, writing my reflection, my heart is pure. Then can I have a dead heart at a moment? A moment? Yes, we all know. Can I have both? Most of the time. Most of the time we have this fight. And Allah knows which one wins. My goal, why I'm saying this, because that's what Tazkiyah teaches me. Tazkiyah, purification, will teach me how to fight the other one. Will show me, diagnose my problem, and then will teach me where is my problem and how I can overcome it.
I attended Dr. Haifa's Sunday Tazkiyah course with Jannah Institute. This course worked as a spiritual breeze for me. The part I like best about this course is that it helped me identify day-to-day spiritual problems, connect them to my daily routine, identify where and how I am going wrong, and taught me easy-to-use remedies to solve them.